Imagine turning a simple idea into a working web app in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what this AI platform does. In this video, I'll show you how Base44 builds apps from a simple prompt, how much it costs, what you can do for free. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code platform where you describe your app in plain English and the AI builds it for you. It automatically creates the interface, database, authentication system, and even backend logic. Before we build anything, let's talk about pricing. Base44 offers a free plan, which is great for getting started. Paid plans start at around $20 per month, and this is where things become more practical. You don't just get more credits. You unlock features that make your app usable in real situations. Now let's start building the app. Now instead of writing the prompt myself, I'll actually use ChatGPT to generate a better and more detailed prompt. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a structured prompt for a mini Instagram-style app with core features. Now I'll take this prompt and use it inside Base44. Let's see how well the AI can turn this into a real app. The AI now processes the prompt and builds the full application, including interface, database, and backend logic. And just like that, we already have a basic Instagram-style app. You can see the feed, posts, and overall structure is already in place. Here is the comment option. You can add comments here. We also have share and like fully functional. And if you want to improve anything, you just tell the AI. For example, I can ask it to add a feature like dark mode. Here the AI adds a fully functional dark and light mode option. And this is the main dashboard where everything is managed. You can see your app structure, preview, and key sections all in one place. The platform also creates a connected database automatically. So things like posts, users, and interactions are already stored and managed without any manual setup. You can also access the actual code behind your app. Everything is organized into proper files, just like a real development project. This is useful if you want more control or want to customize things further. You can upgrade the plan to make changes to the code however you want. And if you're a developer or working in a team, you can connect your project to GitHub. This allows version control and makes it easier to manage your project outside the platform. So instead of starting from scratch, you're getting a full app with UI, backend, and structure generated in minutes. Once your app is ready, you can publish it directly. Base44 also includes hosting, so you don't need to set up servers. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.